In this video, I will show you how to turn off the auto recording of a call when you make a phone call. I will test the error to be solved. Try making a call from one phone to another. When you make a call, the call is automatically recorded. Okay, let's solve this problem. There are various ways to resolve this error. I will show you the first method. Enter the calling application. Then find the setting. Each phone has different settings. If you find the setting, enter it. Once you are in the settings, enter the call recording. Okay, here, there are open buttons. If the auto call recording button is on, it will automatically record when you make a call. So this button must be disabled. If this method does not work to turn off call recording, please continue to see another method. Another way is to go into phone settings. Once you are in the settings, search for call in search setting. For those who can't find it in the first way, you can easily find it in settings. Enter call recording and you will see auto call recording. Here you can turn off auto call recording. Another thing is that you can enter and close from record calls automatically. Okay, the error has been resolved, so I will call and test it. Let's call another phone and test it. Okay, now, the auto call recording error has been solved successfully. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the ITNet channel. Thanks you for watching this video. See you next video.